What's up, people of the internet? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Scott, front-end engineer in Silicon Valley for the last 10 years or so. Today I'm going to be talking about a few of the most important array functions we have. We have push and we have concat. So let's talk about why you would need to use these. These are two methods that kind of do the same thing, but with very different reasons in implementation. So I would want to take, why I would use either one of these is I would want to take an empty array and add one, or maybe I want to take an array with one and put two in it. That's why we would use these. So, oh, I made a mistake. Something like that. So push is the most common one. Array.push like this. So if I console.log the array, fun fact, we can push on const variables. They don't need to be let. So that's a fun fact. So if I run the file, I'm gonna expect 1, 2, 3, 1 in the console node array funcs. 1, 2, 3, 1. Cool, great. However, push has a return value of the length of the array. So if we console.logged the push command, I would expect this to return 4. Yeah, exactly. Because there's now 4 items in the array. What does push also do? Push mutates the existing array, right? We saw that earlier. So we have a new array, 1, 2, 3, or we have an array, 1, 2, 3, and we push 1 into it. So then the array now is 1, 2, 3, 1. For junior engineers and really any front-end developer, that isn't ideal. I don't want to say never, but 90, 95, 99% of the time, we never want to mutate the existing data object or array, string, whatever we have. We want to make a copy of it and not touch it and add to it. How do we do that? Glad you asked. We use concat. So here I have a new array. This can be anything. And then we have to, when we use concat, we can't do what we did with push, right? Array.concat. Like, array is still going to be 1, 2, 3. Let's see and make sure. 1, 2, 3, right? So I'll put something here so we know in the console, right? So how do we do this? With concat, we need to reassign the array.concat to a new array. So then that way, console.log new array, new, then this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 1. Oh, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 1. Without touching the original array. So let's see that. So original array is 1, 2, 3. The new array is 1, 2, 3, 1. That's awesome. This is best practice in front-end development when adding an item to an array. We use push sometimes. I can give you some examples, but it's not really important. But what I want you to take away from this video is use concat, because then we're not going to mutate the existing array, and we're going to have a new array we can then do something to. Filter out, pass it to another function, whatever. Because if I mutate this, and this is my data, my single source of truth from the database, and then I go change it, and then I expect something else to happen, all of my data is like out of sync. So that's one reason why. There's other reasons, but hope you found this video valuable. To recap, we use push and concat to add items to an array. We want to use concat over push for data integrity so we don't mutate the existing object. And we do that by assigning a variable using let, and then we reassign that value and concat the original array with the new value we want. This can also be, I think this takes an array as well. And that's how we do it. Let me know if you have any questions. Hope you found this Hope you found this video valuable. Let me know if I can help you with anything or if you want to see anything else. Talk to you soon. Thanks.